and welcome back to this video channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to install Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So firstly we go to Google and we search for the keyword SQL Studio Management. Go to this link and come here, save it. After downloading it, we run the setup file. In here, I put it in locally C and install. So we finish install this, and when you come here, we find the word studio. We find the word, and when we come here, we find the word SQL, and we have this SQL Server Management Studio. And this comes to the main screen here. So this means we have successfully installed it. So hope that you enjoy it, and goodbye and see you again.